Good morning, everybody. This is Tom from If This Car Could Talk. We are at day 2, Sunday morning, at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Chicago, Illinois. And as we're wandering around to find cool cars, I see that Mr. Finkenbinder here has a beautiful 1970 Superbird, and it's in everybody's favorite color. So I'm going to let him tell you all about the car, and I'll turn it over to you now, sir.
Good morning. My car is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird, as was just mentioned. It has been in our family for over 50 years. My dad bought this car new in January of 1970. He was actually contacted by the dealership to purchase this car because my dad was a United States Auto Club Life member and was involved in a number of race teams at the Indianapolis 500. So they knew that he was a racing individual and would appreciate the car, and they made him a deal on it and he bought it. I was fortunate enough to drive it my senior year in high school and all through college. So having a car like that as a young driver was quite an experience. The car was actually parked early in the 80s because of some mechanical problems. It wasn't started or driven for almost 30 years. In 2015, we took it to Hodge Restoration in Inman, South Carolina. They did a complete restoration on it, and as you can see, they did an amazing job on it, beautiful job, and we have just been thrilled having an opportunity to show it at car shows such as the prestigious Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals here in Chicago.